Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you read Snapchat messages and open conversations without them knowing, then you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you the two best ways on how can you do exactly that. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, you need to get something out of the way. So open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Snapchat right here, only to find it and make sure we have the app updated to find no problems in the app itself. After that, quit the store, and of course from here we need to head out to Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account and then head out to your chats and conversations. You can do that by tapping here at the bottom or just swipe left. Here we are. Now from here, find the conversation that you want to open. And for the first method, it's actually very quick and easy. All you need to do is to start by tapping on the Bitmoji of the conversation and then swipe to the right side of the screen until you'll be able to read the messages. But don't drop your finger there, just drag it back to where you started from. So let me see, I can read messages as you can see here guys of all the conversations, and they will never know that I have opened or read the messages right here. For the second method, you need to go ahead and turn on the airplane mode. So just go ahead and turn on, and from here you can freely open conversations. Let me just open this one, and you can read messages however you want. But before you turn off airplane mode, you need to quit from Snapchat completely and then head out to your settings, find Snapchat to delete the application. So basically you need to reinstall or uninstall and then reinstall the Snapchat app. You can go to your store right here and do that from here, and of course they will never know that you have opened the conversation. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.